सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। गाइस, बहुत दिन के बाद मैं टेक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। एक ही व्हाट्सएप एप्लीकेशन में आप लोग अभी मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स इस्तेमाल कर पाएंगे। मतलब मल्टीपल नंबर्स, फोन नंबर्स होगा तो आपके पास सारे फोन नंबर्स आप लोग एक ही व्हाट्सएप एप्लीकेशन में लॉगिन कर पाएंगे। थ्री डॉट्स रहते हैं ना, वहाँ पर क्लिक कीजिए और आपका प्रोफाइल पर क्लिक कीजिए और वहाँ पर ऐड अकाउंट लिखा आएगा। वहाँ पर क्लिक करके आप लोग आपका जो भी एक्स्ट्रा नंबर्स वगैरह, फोन नंबर्स वगैरह होगा, उसको भी आप लोग एक ही व्हाट्सएप के अंदर इस्तेमाल कर पाएंगे। जो the multiple numbers you guys will be having, those messages will be also visible in notification. I mean, you guys will be switched into a primary means to one WhatsApp number, and if you receive an WhatsApp message on your another number which will be linked in WhatsApp, now it will be also visible in notification section. If you guys click on that notification, you guys will be switched to that WhatsApp account, and you guys will be able to view that WhatsApp messages also. Now maximum some 3 numbers can be linked into one WhatsApp application right now currently in smartphone. In PC also this feature will be coming soon. For now it's available on Android and iOS. I don't know, it's available in Android latest even version of WhatsApp. गाइस, GTA 6 2025 में लॉन्च होने वाला है। गाइस, जब भी 2025 में GTA 6 लॉन्च होगा ना, GTA 6 सिर्फ PlayStation 5 और Xbox सीरीज X और S सीरीज कंसोल में ही आप लोग खेल पाएंगे। मतलब सब लोग खेल पाएंगे। मतलब 2025 को GTA 6 PlayStation 5 और Xbox में, Xbox X और S सीरीज वाले कंसोल में लॉन्च हो जाएगा, और 2026 या 2027 में PC के लिए GTA 6 लॉन्च होगा। गाइस, और एक बात बहुत ट्रेंड कर रहा है न्यूज़। गाइस, जो GTA वाई सिटी, GTA सैन एंड्रेस वगैरह का रीमास्टर्ड एडिशन जैसे आया था ना PC लेवल के लिए, वो सब स्मार्टफोन के लिए भी आने वाला है। उस चीज़ का राइट्स नेटफ्लिक्स ले चुका है। आपका पास नेटफ्लिक्स सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आप लोग जो रीमास्टर्ड चीज़ आया था ना 2022 में या इसी साल 2023 में, रीमास्टर्ड वर्जन ऑफ GTA वाई सिटी और GTA सैन एंड्रेस और GTA 3, वो चीज़ भी आप लोग स्मार्टफोन में खेल पाएंगे कुछ दिन में। अभी प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन चल रहा है। आप लोग आपका पास नेटफ्लिक्स सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आप लोग गेम सेक्शन में जाके वहाँ से आप लोग प्ले स्टोर पर रीडायरेक्ट होते हुए आप लोग वहाँ से GTA सैन एंड्रेस, GTA 3 सर्च करके आप लोग प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो, और जब भी लॉन्च होगा आप लोग खेल सकते हो। गाइस, GTA 6 का ट्रेलर लीक हो चुका था टिकटॉक पे। कोई तो रॉकस्टार गेम्स पे काम करने वाले लोग ही लीक किए थे GTA 6 का ट्रेलर। कुछ क्लिप्स वगैरह लीक हुआ था टिकटॉक पे ग्लोबली, और उस चीज़ के बाद रॉकस्टार गेम्स को पता चला कि ट्रेलर कुछ और लीक हो चुका है। इसलिए वो लोगों ने, रॉकस्टार गेम्स वालों ने बहुत जल्द दे रिलीज द GTA 6 trailer earlier than the scheduled time in their social media of Rockstar Games. Then it has went viral. It's been just some 3-4 hours. It's been already some 6-7 million views. It has crossed already. Guys, Nothing Phone 2 was launched in India. Now it was launched around some 45,000 to 44,000 base price. Means the base variant which was available of Nothing Phone 2 now, of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Now it was some 45,000 I think. Now the price has been reduced, and the price of Nothing Phone 2 base variant is 39,999. Before it was some 35,000. 5,000 big cutoff has been seen in Nothing Phone 2 base variant. Let's see, guys. I also don't think Nothing Phone 2 nothing has sold a lot much piece of Nothing Phone 2. They have reduced the price. Still, let's see. I think it's average phone only, but it's not for long time use. It's just for showpiece like only can be said. That's all. Fine. Let's see how will Nothing Phone when Nothing Phone 2 sales reports and will come. Was Nothing Phone 2 successful for Nothing company or what? We will get to know in further upcoming days. Guys, Indian government has approved subsidy for 27 major tech hardware companies in India. The companies who assembles means Make in India and all supporting companies are there like Dell, HP, Foxconn and Lenovo. These all companies, Indian government has approved subsidy for this hardware companies, and there are a lot more hardware companies who are doing means assembling and supporting Make in India, Made in India projects and all which has been done by Indian government and all Make in India, Made in India schemes and all. The companies who are supporting these all things for those companies, Indian government has approved subsidy for total some 27 companies. Indian government has approved subsidy for this hardware manufacturing companies in who are doing in India. Guys, I think Nothing Phone 2 was a big failure for Nothing brand. After this Nothing Phone 2 failure, Nothing might soon will be coming with their Nothing Phone 2A. This might be a lighter version, a smaller version. Might be this smartphone will come with Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor or some other processor. I will update in upcoming some tech news only. If some more leaks will come of this Nothing Phone 2A, which will be launching in some 1.5 month. In between this 1.5 month, Nothing Phone 2A will be for sure launching in India and in globally. Guys, there's a new AI tool which has came into market, but no one has access to this AI tool, but it's trending like with just a text prompt that AI means that AI generating website can AI generating website can generate a video, complete video, story time like, and also videos can be generated just by giving text prompt. It's called Pika AI, guys. I will be also displaying that website and web domain name and all. You guys can register for pre-access. I also registered. Let's see if I try some of these AI tools and all. If I create videos using these AI tools and all, I will be posting in my website or Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and X and to check out our website also. We will be publishing the new things, the tips and tricks, everything and in our website. Don't forget to check out guys. Pika AI will be big revolutionary or what in AI field. Let's see, we will get to know in upcoming days only. Guys, now we will be starting upcoming phones section. I will be sharing information and links which will be available regarding upcoming phones in India and in global market. Guys, Oppo will be launching their Oppo Reno 11 series globally or in India soon. This smartphone has already launched in China. Might be we can expect in global market and in other market, in Indian market and all very soon. Guys, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra live images has been leaked. I will be displaying the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra live images which has leaked. It might be a dummy piece or test version for Samsung employees. Guys, OnePlus will be coming with their OnePlus 12 series has been in India. As I saw a report of top selling smartphones, Vivo was in top, and Vivo and Realme, Samsung. These are some three brands which were in top selling smartphones. Guys, thank you for watching video until the end. I hope you guys have liked the video. How is our new setup, and if you guys want to share any feedback or improvements regarding our video, please don't forget to comment down below. I'm recording this video using this my Buds mic which is Jabra Li2. I will try to use some application and I will try to clean the audio, and I will try my level best to give good output in the end of the video while editing. That's all guys for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe to our channel for more videos. I will be making more and more technology, tech related videos of the in some few months, in some few days, anytime can be seen. Don't forget to follow us on X, follow us on Instagram, check out our website for latest tech and technology related articles and information. Bye bye.